Hey, No Nonsense Noah here. Today I want to show you how to replace the rear struts on this 2011 Corolla. Going to give you a quick rundown version. This should carry over to the Matrix and Pontiac Vibe as well. Make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if it helps you out. I'm going to be replacing these with what's called quick struts or complete struts. If you're not getting these and you get just the shock tube on the center, you're going to have to compress this in a strut compressor and remove this top nut here and transfer over the spring and the shock mount. There's some other videos online on how to do that if you want to check those out. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy these quick struts, or if you want to buy just the shock, and I'll also put a strut compressor that I recommend in there. No matter what you do, never remove this top nut without having this spring compressed in a strut compressor. To gain access to the nuts in the trunk, remove everything and this wheel cover in here. Then go ahead and take a tool like this and pop this one Christmas tree out. But don't drop it like I did. Looks like that. Now, go ahead and just tuck this out of the way. Remove this 14mm nut and the 14mm nut on the back. If you're using hand tools, you might need to get a long extension to be able to get good swing on the ratchet. Again, don't remove this nut at all. Now remove the 14mm bolt here and the 19mm nut over here that has a washer as well. And simple enough, if this is rusted, you'll have to spray some lube on there, but simple enough, pop this guy out just like that. Now, if you got quick struts, you're ready to throw the new one in there and be done. So I just wanted to make a quick video and show you exactly how easy it is. A lot of people see these, the bolts go into the trunk and they get frustrated and they don't want to do it, but that's really how easy it is. So you might need to get a jack under here, especially if I suggest doing one side at a time. But anyway, that's the information you need to get this done. So give me a thumbs up if it helps out. No Nonsense Know How, and consider subscribing. Thanks a lot, guys.